Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today let's talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum and in terms of how many ethers can you get for trading in one BTC. So this is the weekly price action of 1 over Ether BTC, that is BTC divided by ETH, and that's why the y-axis is the number of Ether token that you get for selling in one Bitcoin. So this weekly price action since 2015, you can see that this is in a downturn. That is because Ethereum has been slowly gaining ground on BTC. That is, the market cap of Ethereum is slowly but surely increasing more with respect to Bitcoin's increase in its market cap. So that's why at one time, that is in during the end of December 2015, when Ethereum was uh, basically launched, you could get almost 500 Ether for one BTC. Now it's well less than 20 Ethers per BTC, and if you can do this exercise yourself by calculating the price of BTC, which is around 40,000, and price of Ethereum around 22,000. So if you divide 40,000 by 2,000, you will get around uh, around this level of 20 Ether per BTC. So and you can see that this particular pair has since the bull market ended, that is in November of 2021, this particular trading pair, as you can say, has grown by 86%. That is, since the bear market began, Bitcoin gained almost 86% value over Ethereum. That is, since the bear market drop and the rally that Bitcoin has had after the 2023 ETF related bull market, Bitcoin has gained over almost 90% value back from Ether, because you can see that during the peak of the bull run last time around, Ethereum, you could get almost 10 ethers per BTC. Now you can get almost 20 at one point 20 ether per BTC. That was the norm. Although there was a lower valuation back in 2017, that meant Bitcoin for one Ethereum you could get, sorry, for one Bitcoin you could get only 7 Ethereum. That was when Ethereum had its peak valuation against BTC. So let's see if this trend moves to the upside, that is favoring BTC, or to the downside, which favors Ether. So we'll use our AI-based approach to evaluate that trend. Our channel evaluates the base case, bull case, and bear case for cryptos. So for Bitcoin divided by Ether, you can see that these are the average weekly prices color coded by our Z-score based model, where when the prices are in green, that means the valuation is undervalued. That is, the number of Ether that you're getting for one BTC is very less. That means the valuation is undervalued in terms of Bitcoin, and the opposite is when the that is like, for example, September of 2019, we could get almost 60 Ether per BTC. That means the valuation was overvalued in terms of BTC, because you are getting fairly larger amount of Ether for trading in one BTC. During the peak bearish phases of the crypto market, that's when BTC peaks against Ethereum, because during the bull market, generally speaking, Ethereum performs better than Bitcoin. So whenever this trading pair is in overvaluation phase, the overall crypto market is in bear market. So that is kind of like the uh, or early bull market. So that is kind of how you would see these overvaluation and undervaluation phases. So for example, in October 2023, when the mini bull run started, around that time you could see that there was a spike for Bitcoin Ether pair, but slowly as the bull run progressed, the trend favored back to Ether. So per our AI model, again, this is not financial advice. The The forecast for 2024 is a decline in value in terms of Bitcoin, that is Ethereum to gain ground over BTC over the course of this year, but that is not by a huge margin. So from where we are right now to about 17.5 Ether per BTC to about 15.5 Ether per BTC. So about 15% 50% value gain in terms of Ethereum and the equivalent value loss in terms of BTC. So the bull scenario is one standard deviation to the upside. That means what if the market overall market is in bear scenario, that means it favors Bitcoin over Ethereum. In that case, the theoretical ceiling that the number of Ether tokens per BTC available per our AI model for this year are between 22 Ether per BTC to 30 Ether per BTC. In the case if it's extremely the market is extremely bearish and or Bitcoin has a huge price surge throughout the year 2024 where it gains a lot of value against altcoins and Ethereum, then in that scenario the maximum number of Ethereum that one BTC can fetch per our AI model is 43 Ether per BTC in 2024, and in the mania case, if Bitcoin has its mania phase, the minimum for 2024 could be in that phase would be around 29 Ether per BTC. The bear case, which is bullish for Ethereum, bearish for BTC, that is the number of Ether tokens go down for one BTC. In that scenario, if the wider crypto market is in a bull run, the number of Ether available for one BTC would be between 12 and a half, 12 and a quarter to about 17 and a quarter. And in the panic case where people that is two standard deviation move to the downside, where the market perceives Ethereum to be significantly bullish than Bitcoin. Usually that happens during the, as you can see, this drop occurred during the peak of the early stage of bull run, that is in March of 2021. Valuation dropped from 32 ETH to about 13 ETH over a period of couple of months. If a similar extreme bullish mania phase occurs for crypto where Ethereum takes charge from Bitcoin, the least number of Ether that one BTC could fetch in that scenario would be 6.6 Ether per BTC, and this valuation could only be achieved if Ethereum's market cap surpasses BTC's market cap. So in that scenario, the number of Ether per BTC available would be 6.6, and the maximum permissible in that extreme bull scenario, which would be panic case for Bitcoin but bullish for wider crypto market, would be 16.7. So just summarizing the scenarios, the base case forecasted by our model for 2024 is between 15.7 ETH to 17.7 ETH per BTC. The bull case scenario between 23 ETH and 30 ETH per BTC. The mania scenario between 30 ETH and 43 ETH per BTC. And the bear scenario between 12.25 ETH per BTC to about 17.5 ETH per BTC. And the extreme panic scenario would for BTC, that would be extremely bullish for Ethereum, would be 6.6 ETH per BTC and 16.7 ETH per BTC. So hope you like this content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and see you tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.